Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can edit your captions on any lecture or video that you have recorded in Zoom. After you're done recording, Zoom will send you an email with the files from your video. They'll send you two separate files. The first link is the file that you're able to change and edit. The second file is a file for your viewers where they can just watch it. So click on the first link and it will take you to your file location. Then you can just click on the play button of your recording. And you'll see here on the right-hand side is the whole automatically generated caption file that Zoom has produced. To edit this for grammar, spelling, and all of that, you just hover over the caption and then click on the little pencil that is to the right. And this will transform this into a text editing function where you can change whatever is wrong. After you're done editing, you click save. And then you can go through all of your different subtitles and click them and do the same thing and go ahead and save. Once you're all done, the transcript has been updated. You don't have to do anything else. It automatically saves. And then when you go to your other link that you're sending out, your transcript will be correct. And that's it. That's how you edit your captions on your Zoom videos.